So बच्चे, illustration number 32. In this question, we have to calculate two things. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities and cash flow from financing activities. And adjustment related to machine and depreciation is given to you. That's why we will make two accounts, plant and machine and depreciation account. Okay, have a look. 2 years data is given to you, 2018 and 17. 17 is given at the back and 18 is given in front. So you have to consider from right to left. Plant and machinery is given to you, both the balances and then additional information is given. So you have to make account first. Balance brought down and balance carried down of plant we have to record like this. Then if we are making the depreciation account, we will write like this. Here we will write by balance BD and to balance carried down. Now have a look which items are given to you. 5,60,000 is the value given for plant and machine and closing 6,80,000. Okay. Then बच्चे accumulated depreciation 170 and 148. 1,48,000 and 1,70,000. Okay. Then बच्चे equity share capital is given to you. It is increasing 10 to 12. It will be written in financing activities, issue of equity shares. Issue of equity share capital rupees 2 lakh. From 10 lakh to 12 lakh, it is increasing. So it is called issue of equity shares. Issue of equity shares rupees 2 lakh. Then बच्चे, loan from bank 150 to 2 lakh. It is also loan taken. Inflow of cash 1,50,000 to 2 lakh means 50,000 increase is there. Loan taken 50,000 bete. Then additional informations are given. During the year, a machine costing rupees 1,20,000 was sold at a profit of 15,000. Costing 1,20,000 sold at a profit of 15,000. So here you will write the profit on sale. Profit on sale was 15,000. Now how much will the balance of bank account, for how much we have sold? Because बच्चे we don't have the value of depreciation. We have to calculate the value of depreciation. Then the balancing figure will be your purchase. Balancing figure will be purchase of machine. Only we have to calculate the depreciation. Okay, from 120 we will deduct the depreciation and we will come to know the sale amount. How we will calculate now the sale amount? It is also given that depreciation on plant and machinery charged during the year amounting to rupees 50,000. Charged during the year. So बच्चे, if you remember, two things we have to record here in accumulated depreciation account, except balance BD and CD, depreciation on assets sold and by depreciation charged during the year. Charged during the year. Only two things we have to calculate, or one will be given to you and second will be the missing one. So what is given to you here? Depreciation charged during the year. Total depreciation, whatever you have charged during the year, is given to you. In place of depreciation on assets sold, depreciation charged during the year is given to you. So do the total 198. From this total, we will deduct 170. So 28,000 is the balancing figure. 28,000 is the Depreciation on asset sold. It will be transferred here. Depreciation on asset sold we have calculated. So the asset was 1,20,000 costing 120. The asset was costing 120. 28 we have used. The value became 120 was the value of asset. 28 we have used. It becomes 98. It becomes 92. And 15 we will add for the profit. So sale value will become 1,07,000. How we have calculated? 120 was the cost. 28 we have used. 120 was the cost. बच्चे 28 we have used. We will subtract. 92 will become 15,000 was the profit. So total price become 1,07,000. 120 was the cost. We have used the charge the depreciation 28,000. 15,000 is the profit. Depreciation will be subtracted, profit will be added. It will become 1,07,000. Now from here we have to make the investment account. One sale of asset will be there. Sale of machine. And it is 1,07,000. Inflow of cash. Okay, bache. Then we have to calculate the purchase. We have to add these three items. The total of these three will become 8,15,000. And from this 8,15,000 we will deduct these two amounts and the balancing figure will be 2,40,000. Total is this. This is our purchase. This is our purchase balancing figure. Purchase of machine. Here we will write purchase of machine. Purchase of machine 2,40,000 and this is outflow of cash. So we will put it in bracket. Nothing else is given, bache. We have taken the sale and purchase of asset. This depreciation and this profit will be treated in operating, not here. So minus is more than plus. Answer will be in minus 133. The difference between the two is 133 and this is called cash used in investing activities. When there is minus answer, you will write cash used in investing activities. Now, the second item is given to you in additional information. Interest paid on bank loan. It is the item to be recorded in financing activities. Interest paid. Outflow of cash 30,000. We have paid, so cash is going out. And last is bache, dividend paid. Dividend paid is 80,000. This is also outflow of cash. So the answer is 1,40,000. Cash flow from financing activity. Any doubt, beta? This was your question number 32, in which we have made the investing and financing with the accounts.